Good day guys, today I would like to share with you what I have bought from Aldi shops for an unbelievable price. As you can see, 12.50 Australian dollars. It was on sales, half price. The original price was $25. So this comes in hard case. It's a torque wrench. It's a half-inch torque wrench. Covers from 60 to 220 Newton meters. What we can see inside the hard case is 3 sockets starting from 17, 19 and 21. We also have an extension socket. Comes with a user manual, 3 years of warranty as mentioned on the case, and the specification card also inside. Well, I've checked this before. The wrench, it works perfectly, and to be honest, looks very high quality for the price that I've paid. I'm seriously happy for what I've got. There's nothing fancy about it. It only has a lock here and then the basic function of adjustable torque wrench. As I told you, from 60 Newton meters to 220. Alright, I won't wait you longer. I'm going to check it out in action. So I've already adjusted this on 90 Newton meters for the wheel nuts. Let's check it out. That's it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video and please check my other YouTube videos as well. See you later.